Everything is motion. What we perceive as a solid object is actually a long-lived pattern of structured motion held under tight constraints. In mechanical engineering, the transfer of power is obvious. One gear tooth pushes the next, or a rubber belt turns a heavy wheel. But electrical devices operate in silence. A switch flips and a room lights up. A button is pressed and a massive motor spins to life. Electricity is the flow of motion through solid matter, occurring entirely without visible mechanical parts. We built a global civilization on this invisible translation of power long before we had a clear picture of the activity occurring inside the wires. Most intuition about electricity involves tiny particles. We imagine a horde of individual electrons acting like delivery drivers, sprinting from the battery down the length of the wire and into our appliances. Yet, when you flip a light switch, the bulb across the ceiling glows almost immediately. If electricity relied on physical particles commuting end to end to deliver power, household circuits would respond with a significant, noticeable lag. This diagram reveals the actual mechanism. Electricity is an organized motion pattern propagating through the conductor. The motion state of the entire circuit retunes as a connected whole the moment the path is completed. A wire is a corridor of structured matter. It allows motion to pass relay style from region to region, shifting the local structure in response to the signal. Inside a battery, chemistry separates and holds physical motion in a structured, tense state. This stored imbalance is voltage, or motion pressure. One region is ready to redistribute into another, creating a tension difference across the system. A switch acts as a permission structure. By completing the loop, it provides a previously blocked motion path with a way to equalize. Once the loop closes, the motion state of the entire connected circuit retunes and synchronizes instantly. Current is the specific rate at which this synchronization redistributes through the pressure gradient. An electrical circuit is a physical geometry that allows a stored imbalance to resolve through a pathway. This organized redistribution often encounters materials that refuse to pass the motion signal gracefully. Resistance is the physical scattering of organized electrical motion. When the material's internal patterns do not align, the organized motion breaks down into local, chaotic atomic agitation. We use this breakdown to heat our homes and cook food. In a toaster, the wire is designed to jam the motion, forcing it to degrade into the local agitation we feel as heat. Direct current systems move this redistribution in one overall direction around the circuit. Alternating current uses a rhythmic back-and-forth oscillation. As seen in this grid diagram, the power travels as a synchronized shove wave, allowing massive energy transfer without requiring particles to travel long distances. Heat represents the cost of disrupted flow, while AC provides the rhythmic solution for pushing coordination across an entire continent. A bird can sit directly on a high-voltage power line and remain completely unharmed. Electricity acts only when there is a meaningful redistribution path between two different states of motion pressure. A shock occurs when a biological system bridges two different pressure zones, forcing the body's internal coordination into catastrophic chaos, like a short circuit. Electricity is blindly obedient to the laws of pathways and pressure differences. Electricity functions as a translator. It takes one state of organized motion and hands it off to another, becoming air motion in a speaker, rotational motion in a motor, or thermal agitation in a heater. This transfer happens through the structure of matter itself, removing the need for bulky pistons or slipping belts. Routing tension through these pathways allows motion to act at a distance, enabling the scale of modern infrastructure. A wire is more than a piece of metal. It is a track where organized motion learns how to speak.